Hello everyone, friends. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced and high-tech crypto exchanges in the world, OKX. This platform is trusted by traders from more than 180 countries, and it's rightfully considered one of the most convenient and versatile places for trading and earning with cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to register on OKX, complete verification, deposit funds, trade on spot and futures, use copy trading, earn through staking, and take part in new token launches via Jumpstart. And most importantly, I'll explain how you can claim a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT when you register using our link with the promo code CP6969. If you're looking for an exchange with a modern interface, low fees, a wide range of tools, and a reliable security system, this video is definitely for you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and check the description. All the useful links are collected there. Let's go! OKX is one of the largest and most technologically advanced cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, founded in 2017. Today, millions of traders use it, and the platform consistently ranks among the top global exchanges by spot and futures trading volume. The company is registered in Hong Kong and operates under international standards of security and transparency. The platform regularly conducts reserve audits and publishes proof of assets, making it one of the most open and reliable exchanges on the market. OKX offers an extended set of tools: spot trading with high liquidity, futures and derivatives with flexible leverage, margin trading, copy trading, earn and staking, Jumpstart, participation in new token sales, algorithmic trading bots, NFT marketplace, a convenient mobile app, and professional terminal. The exchange is known for its fast and stable engine, user-friendly interface, secure fund storage, and wide opportunities for traders of all levels. OKX continues to grow, adding new tools, and remaining one of the most versatile platforms in the industry. It's also worth noting that OKX is widely used by professional traders. For them, massive liquidity is crucial, and the OKX Pro Terminal is available with advanced charts, deep order books, sophisticated order types, and high-quality execution. The system withstands heavy loads during sharp market moves, making the platform reliable for active and high-frequency trading. To start working with the OKX Exchange, you need to go through a simple registration process that takes just a couple of minutes. Click the link in the description under this video. That's our official partner link with the promo code CP6969, which unlocks a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT for new users. On the page that opens, enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Confirm that you agree with the terms and click Create Account. Check your email or SMS. You'll receive a confirmation code, enter it on the OKX website. Once your account is confirmed, you can immediately log into your dashboard and, if you like, install the OKX mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Before you start trading, it's important to set up your security. And by the way, don't forget to check the description. There are lots of useful links there. After registration, it's crucial to protect your account right away. OKX offers a reliable security system, and the first step is enabling two-factor authentication. In your dashboard, go to Profile, Security, Two-Factor Authentication. Choose which actions you want to protect: logging into your account, withdrawing funds, changing settings, and security options. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. On the OKX site, a QR code will appear. Scan it with the app and enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Be sure to save your backup key. You'll need it to restore access if you lose your phone. Once 2FA is enabled, your account will be securely protected. Without the one-time code, no one can log in or withdraw funds. OKX is a regulated international crypto exchange, so to gain full access to all features, you need to complete identity verification. After KYC, you'll unlock fiat deposits and withdrawals, higher limits, participation in Jumpstart, and access to all earned products. How to pass the verification? In your dashboard, go to Profile, Verification. Select your country of residence. Choose the type of document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically check the data, enter your residential address, and submit the application. The review usually takes from a few minutes to an hour. Once approved, your status will show verified, and all platform features will become available: fiat deposits and withdrawals, extended limits, staking, Jumpstart, and participation in bonus programs. And just a reminder, all the top exchanges, wallets, and services with exclusive bonuses are linked in the description below this video. Depositing funds on OKX. After registration and verification, you can move on to funding your account. OKX supports several convenient deposit methods: cryptocurrency, P2P, and online exchangers. All methods are secure and suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Method 1. Deposit with cryptocurrency. This option is perfect if you already have crypto in a wallet or on another exchange. In your dashboard, go to Assets, Deposit. Select the coin, for example USDT or BTC. Choose the transfer network: TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, or another. Copy the address provided by the system. Go to your wallet or another exchange and send funds to this address. Important: always double check the sending network. If the network you send from doesn't match the deposit network, your funds may be lost permanently. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. This method allows you to buy USDT with your local currency directly using a bank card. In the top menu, go to Buy Crypto. P2P trading. Select your currency and payment method. Find a seller with a high rating and good reviews. Enter the amount and create the order. Transfer payment to the seller. After sending, click Confirm Payment. Once the seller verifies the payment, the coins are automatically credited to your OKX balance. Method 3. Deposit via exchanger. This option is useful if direct fiat methods are unavailable. Follow the exchanger link in the description under the video. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the coin you want to receive. For example, USDT, TRC20. Enter the amount and paste your OKX deposit address. Make the payment and wait for confirmation. Within a few minutes, the funds will arrive in your account and you can start trading. You can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat via P2P or exchangers. The process is similar to depositing, so we won't dwell on it for long. Just repeat the same steps as with deposits, only in reverse. Trading on OKX. OKX offers two main modes: spot trading and futures trading. The platform's interface is intuitive and suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Spot trading. Spot trading means buying and selling cryptocurrency at the current market price or at a price you set manually. All trades are executed immediately once the order is filled, and the purchased coins are instantly available in your balance. This type of trading is ideal for beginners and for those who plan to hold assets without using leverage. In the top menu, select Trade, Spot. Find the trading pair you need. For example, BTC USDT. On the right panel, choose the order type. Market. The trade executes instantly at the current price. Limit. You set your own buy or sell price. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the asset will appear in your spot balance. Futures allow you to open positions with leverage and profit both from rising and falling markets. Unlike spot trading, here you trade contracts rather than the actual coins. You can choose your leverage level, set margin, and manage risks with stop orders, making futures a powerful tool for more advanced users. On OKX, futures are one of the platform's key features and work especially efficiently. The exchange supports both perpetual and quarterly contracts. The interface remains simple enough for beginners, while the toolkit is flexible enough for professionals. The main advantage of OKX futures is deep liquidity. Large order volumes ensure fast execution and minimal slippage, even during high volatility. That's why professional traders actively use OKX's futures market, where precise entries and stable execution are critical. In the top menu, select Trade, Futures. Choose the contract you need, for example, BTC USDT. The terminal will open with charts, order book, and control panel. Set your leverage. From 1 to 100, beginners should start small, around 2 to 5. Choose your direction. Long, if you expect the price to rise. Short, if you expect the price to fall. Select the order type. Market. Open at the current price. Limit. Open at your chosen price. Enter the trade amount. Set stop loss and take profit. Click open position. Margin types. Cross margin. Your overall balance is used across all open positions. If one trade goes into a loss, the system can automatically use available funds from other positions. This mode is suitable for experienced traders as it provides more flexibility, but it also increases overall risk. Isolated margin. Margin is tied to a specific position and the risk is limited only to that amount. If the trade goes into a loss, only the funds allocated to it will be used. This option is safer for beginners and allows precise control over maximum losses. Position management. On the bottom panel, you'll see active trades, P&L, liquidation price, and order history. You can close a position fully or partially, as well as adjust stop levels. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade the right way, join our Telegram channel. We explain everything in simple terms. The link is under the video. Copy trading on OKX is a convenient tool that allows you to automatically follow the trades of professional traders. It's perfect for those who want to participate in the market but don't want to analyze charts or open positions manually. How to connect to copy trading. In the top menu, select Trade, Copy Trading. A list of traders will appear. Each profile shows return on investment, ROI, risk level, number of followers, active trades, trading history. Choose a trader and click follow. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Confirm the connection. From that moment, all trades made by the trader will be automatically executed in your account. OKX allows you to set maximum trade amount, loss limits, limit on open positions, auto stop once the limit is reached. You can stop copying or close any trades at any time. Professional traders receive a percentage of the profits earned by their followers. This motivates them to trade carefully and deliver consistent results. The OKX Web3 wallet is one of the strongest and most unique products of OKX, setting the exchange apart from its competitors. Unlike most centralized platforms, OKX is building a full Web3 ecosystem where users can access not only trading but also all major areas of DeFi. The wallet is fully non-custodial. Keys are stored by the user, which means only the owner has access to the assets. OKX Web3 wallet supports dozens of networks: Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Solana, and many more. With Web3 wallet, you can connect to DeFi protocols, participate in farming and staking, swap tokens via a DEX aggregator, use a multi-chain bridge, work with NFTs, interact with dApps without installing MetaMask or other extensions. This makes OKX one of the few exchanges that combines classic CEX infrastructure with a full Web3 hub in one application. Such an approach is especially attractive for users who want to grow in both directions, trading and decentralized finance. OKX offers one of the most advanced sets of trading bots among all crypto exchanges. It's a convenient tool for both beginners and experienced traders, allowing you to automate strategies and trade without constant market presence. On the platform, you'll find Spot Grid Bot for sideways markets, Futures Grid Bot, DCA, Dollar Cost Averaging Bot, Recurring Purchase Bot, Arbitrage Strategies, ready-made templates from top traders. The bots run directly inside the exchange, require no additional software, and automatically adapt to market conditions. Users can launch a strategy manually or choose a ready-made one created by professional traders. OKX displays performance statistics for each strategy, making it easy to select the most effective options or test your own. This makes trading bots a powerful tool for passive capital management and stable trading without constant market monitoring. The Earn section on OKX is the hub for passive income, where you can generate returns from your crypto assets without active trading. All tools are simple, reliable, and suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Main Earn features: staking. Lock your coins for a set period and receive rewards. Popular assets are available: USDT, BTC, Sol, and more. 2 formats. Flexible staking. Funds can be withdrawn anytime. Perfect for those who want income while keeping full control over liquidity. Fixed staking. Assets are locked for a specific term, but the yield is higher. This is the optimal choice for long-term holders who want maximum profit. Savings. Similar to a deposit with daily interest accrual. Funds are available for withdrawal without restrictions, making this option ideal for those who want passive income without locking assets. Dual investment, a tool that allows you to secure returns regardless of price direction. Income is credited in one of 2 assets depending on market results, making it convenient for users seeking higher yields. Jumpstart, OKX's platform for early token sales and initial distribution. Here, users can access promising projects at the starting price before they hit the market, often with strong growth potential after listing. Unlike typical launchpads, Jumpstart is extremely simple. To participate, just stake the chosen asset, usually OKB or USDT, and token distribution happens automatically. No complicated conditions, queues, or lotteries. The more you stake, the larger your allocation. OKX regularly launches new projects, and most tokens show significant growth after listing, making Jumpstart a popular tool for those who want to get into promising coins at the earliest stage. How to start using Earn. In the top menu, select Earn. Go to the desired section, staking, savings, or other products. Choose the coin and term. Enter the amount. Click subscribe. Rewards are credited automatically, most often daily. You can track income statistics and assets. Earn. Earn is a convenient way to generate stable passive income from cryptocurrency, even if you don't plan to trade actively. And if you still have questions, join our private referral chat. We'll answer everything and help you figure it out. The link is also under the video. OKX offers a convenient mobile application that fully mirrors the functionality of the web version. All the main tools are available here: registration, deposits, trading, copy trading, earn, and asset management, all in one interface. Every action performed in the app is automatically reflected in the web version. This makes it easy to switch between your phone and computer while always having access to your account. The app runs quickly and smoothly, making it a handy tool for daily trading and account management right from your smartphone. OKX is among the most reliable crypto exchanges thanks to its strict protection system and transparent operations. Cold storage of assets. Most funds are kept in offline wallets, isolated from the network. Proof of reserves. The exchange regularly confirms full backing of user assets. Data encryption. All information is transmitted and stored in encrypted form. Two-factor authentication protects logins, withdrawals, and security changes. Activity notifications help you spot suspicious actions in time. OKX complies with international security standards and uses an architecture that ensures reliable protection of both funds and accounts. OKX rewards both new users and those who invite friends to the platform. If you register with our promo code CP6969, you can receive a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT. The exact amount depends on your deposit, trading volume, and participation in promotions. How to find your referral link. In the top menu, Open More, Referral Program. Copy your unique link and share it with others. When they register and start trading, you'll earn a percentage of their fees. OKX also regularly runs limited time promotions, giveaways, and bonus campaigns, so it's worth checking the promotions section on the homepage from time to time. And if you haven't yet liked this video or subscribed to the channel, now is the perfect moment. Links to our Telegram, top exchanges, and wallets are all under the video. Let's wrap it up. OKX is a modern, multifunctional crypto exchange that combines convenience, high speed, advanced tools, and strong security. The platform ranks among the global leaders in trading volume and offers a complete set of features for both beginners and professionals. Here you'll find everything you need for comfortable crypto trading: spot and futures trading, copy trading, earn and staking, jumpstart trading bots, 24/7 support, transparent proof of reserves system. OKX continuously updates its functionality, adds new tools, and remains one of the most advanced and reliable platforms on the market. If you're looking for an exchange where you can safely trade, invest, and earn, OKX is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description, register with promo code CP6969, activate your bonuses, and start working with the platform today.